Shoorveer app for contractors. I'm simply logging the application. Enter the OTP. Okay, so this is the home page which shows the details of the current year, the name, the mobile number, the registered mobile number, the banner, and the details of my account, and provision to add sale order, see order history, add contractor site, view site from the home page. I'll go to the menu where I can see home, mastermind quiz, and my profile over here. I can simply click on my profile. Here I can see the details which were entered at the time of enrollment. I can simply change the profile or add the profile pic. Okay, then I can see the list of details. I can edit the profile. All the pre-filled details will come over here. Then let's go to the account statement. Here I can see the account statement for the month of October from 1st to 18th of October. I can simply select the desired date with range which I want. I can see the points that I have earned till date, and the last year TDS points, current year TDS points, and backlifting details over here in this page. Then let's go to add sales. Okay, I can simply add the sale from here. I can click on add. I can select the stage of construction. I can select the product which I want to purchase. Suppose I have clicked on JK Super, PPC, OPC, PSC. I can enter the date, backlifting date, enter the quantity, and simply submit the add sales. Now I can go to view transactions. All the pending transactions will be shown over here, and you will be able to see the pending status of the transaction over here. You can click on show more. If there are any, you will be able to see all the list of pending transactions. In approved, you will be able to see if the pending one is approved, then you will be able to see over here in this tab, and in this tab in rejected, the ones which are rejected. Now go back to add lead. Again, from here I can create a new lead in the application. I can write down the owner's name, I can write down the owner's contract number. I can enter the site address. I can enter the number of slabs. I can select the construction, stage of construction, maybe suppose it's foundation. Select the size, normal size. Okay. Select the brand. I can go to others if I don't know the specific brand. Okay, product preference you can add, and you can simply click on submit. So your lead will be created. Now if I go to view leads, all the pending leads will come here. If I have added, all the approved leads will go to this page, this tab, where you can see the status is shown as approved for all the leads, and you can see the rejected leads over here. Okay, then the same thing is over here. These are the shortcuts of the modules which we have just seen. Now you can go to the rewards catalog shown at the bottom. Here again you can click on any of the product. You can click on simply add. You can go to the add cart. Since there was already a voucher over here, if I just don't want it, I can cross it. If I want this, if I want to add the quantity, I can click on quantity. I can go to checkout. Here I can see the address. I can confirm the address. Once confirmed, it will land to the OTP page where I have to enter the OTP and the order will get placed. So that's it for this application, Shoorveer.